Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing this recipe that is super easy and super quick for one of those really good dinner nights when you want to enjoy spaghetti. Make this dirty spaghetti. It is so delicious, guys. All I have to do is start off with onions and peppers. Then I'm gonna add in my ground beef and my spices as well as soy sauce. That seasoning cannot miss. I'll now add some green beans, some leeks and some red peppers onto this and then let it simmer for a bit, and then add in my corn flour mixture, which is just corn flour and water, as well as 2 tablespoons of vinegar and tomatoes. Once the tomatoes have blended in properly, I'm now going to be adding my spaghetti. I'll break them once into 1/2 and then I'm going to add in some salt and some tomato ketchup. This will just add a little more extra flavor, as well as some corn flour and water mixture. This is to thicken the broth, and then I'm going to let it simmer on low heat for a few minutes, and trust me guys, in 20 minutes you have your cooked meal. I mean, this is for every night, guys. It's so delicious. Every spice I could taste. That's it for today, guys.